Hello everyone, I'm Daniel Sun. This series of videos are for children who are learning English. It is very helpful for every child because it can lay a good foundation for your pronunciation. Therefore, you are welcome to read along with my series and don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Enjoy. First Little Readers, What Jumps? By Lisa Charlesworth. A grasshopper jumps. Wow. A grasshopper jumps. Wow. A frog jumps. Wow. A frog jumps. Wow. A rabbit jumps. Wow. A rabbit jumps. Wow. A kangaroo jumps. Wow. A kangaroo jumps. Wow. A dolphin jumps. Wow. A dolphin jumps. Wow. A jack-in-the-box jumps. Wow. A jack-in-the-box jumps. Wow. I jump. Wow. I jump. Wow.